So when Greyson Nekrutman came out to Drumeo, he challenged me to a drum battle, and I was absolutely terrified. But I'm always down for a challenge, and I wasn't going to go down without a fight. So I'll let you decide who is the winner. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video, and here we go. So I hope you enjoyed watching that drum battle, and a word of warning to all of you out there, if you're ever around Greyson and there's 2 drum kits in the room, Greyson will challenge you, so be ready. But in all seriousness, this was an absolute blast to film, and it was really cool to be able to trade some solos with Greyson while he was out here at Drumeo. Now, down in the comments, let me know who you think was the winner of the battle, and be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you're up to date with everything happening here on the Drumeo channel. Greyson also has tons of lessons available inside of Drumeo, including an in-depth course on big band jazz drumming, where he explains his approach to grooves and fills, technique, and soloing, all in a jazz context. So if you want to check that out, you can head over to drumeo.com by clicking the link right below this video, and you can get a 7-day free trial. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.